You can combine a drop shipping and a drop servicing business together in just one store. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building a profitable online business. In this channel, I'll be sharing a lot on how you can build a profitable online business. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So today's topic is going to be about drop servicing using Shopify website. Having a website for your drop servicing business is going to bring your business to the next level. And here I have 4 reasons why you should have a website for your drop servicing business. The first reason is a website makes you look professional. Most clients think that a website makes a business more credible. A website acts like a physical shop for clients to browse around your store before deciding to make a purchase. The second reason is your website can attract new customers through Google. More and more people are searching for online services. Without a website, we will lose out tons of customers that turn to Google search for their digital needs. Number 3, you can showcase your digital products, services, testimonials, and portfolios all in one place. Your website can help you sell your services by displaying your best testimonials and showing different kinds of services that can potentially help your clients. Showcasing reviews and portfolios prominently on your website is a great way to establish social proof for your brand. This will make your site more trustworthy. If visitors trust your site, you'll be able to convert visitors to clients and drive sales up. Reason number 4 is a website can encourage customers to contact you. A website is a great place to make your contact information easily available to potential clients. You can easily create a contact form or a chatbot on your website so that your client can make inquiries. It makes it easier for you to capture potential clients' contact details and build a database. So why Shopify? Shopify offers one of the most convenient and straightforward website building tools for drop servicing. The platform is very user-friendly. Any beginner can master creating their store in no time, and you don't have to have any special skills to get started. I personally set up a Shopify and a WordPress website before, and creating a store on Shopify is so much less headache because I feel that all features are ready on the platform. Basically, Shopify is ideal for online store creation and transaction management. You can sell across multiple channels and can easily integrate your digital services with online marketplaces like eBay and Etsy. On top of that, Shopify offers a wide variety of tools ready all in one place to get you start selling, such as form builder, email marketing tools, live chats, sales and conversion optimization like discount codes, product reviews, and even client rewards programs so that you can turn them into your loyal customer. There are many themes to choose from, and you can switch it around easily. Best of all, most of these apps are free. Their plans are also very affordable with a basic plan at $29. There's a 14 days free trial for you to try out the platform. I'll leave a link for you below. Another thing that I forgot to mention about why I like to use Shopify is because on Shopify platform itself, you can actually cross-sell other products. You can combine a drop shipping and a drop servicing business together in just one store. Here are some sample drop servicing website that uses Shopify platform. So I hope today's video is helpful to you. If you have any questions about creating a website for drop servicing, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!